Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig review will be on the Sister Wig, Sis Sister Wig. This is the style Moda, and I have it in the color 2 and the color 99J. Keep watching. So once again, this is Moda in the color 99J, and I also, as you saw, put on the color number 2. This is the half moon part. It's 6 inches, and it's the semicircle deep side part. So it is all the way over to the right side, which I think is nice. I personally like this. I'm not sure how I feel about the 99J just yet, but I think they did a very good job. There was no lace to cut on this wig, which sometimes I am grateful for, because I don't want to sit around having to cut lace all day, pluck parts all day. I just want to kind of throw one and go. So the only thing different that I did with this one, just to test it out, the other one I did not go in and tweeze the part. This one I did go in a very little bit and tweeze and just added my powder, which I think gave a nice touch to it, made it look more realistic. This does not have dark roots, so if you're someone who does not like the straight transition into color, you can go in with marker or mascara and darken your roots. Right now it's really not that big of a deal to me. So yeah, once again, this one is 99J, and this is the color number 2. So as far as, is this wig big head friendly? Let's see. To me, it is. I have it on the closest loops in the back, and I still have wiggle room, so my preference as far as taming this wig, I would say you can just use some detangling spray if tangling were to occur, like on this side, or I personally prefer to just finger comb units like this. It'll still give volume if that's what I want. There were some baby hairs in by the parting space. I'm not a fan of putting baby hairs on every single unit, but that's just personal preference. Do what works for you. So I kind of just made it go with the rest of the hair and not utilize them, but you can always do so on your unit if you choose. So once again, this is the number 2 of the color was 99J. I appreciate you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.